Hey, top health tips here again with another video. Did you know that castor oil has been used for its incredible skin benefits since ancient Egypt? Seriously, people have been raving about this stuff for centuries. And you know us, we are all about that natural ingredient life. One of the biggest things we hear from you guys is that you want that healthy, radiant glow. So, get ready to be amazed because today, we're diving deep into the world of castor oil and how it can transform your skin from blah to brilliant. Alright, let's talk about hydration. It's one of the most crucial aspects of skincare, yet often overlooked. Everyone is obsessed with keeping the skin barrier healthy and protected. It's the foundation of any good skincare routine. A healthy skin barrier is essential for preventing moisture loss and keeping your skin plump and dewy. Without it, your skin can become dry and irritated. And you know what's amazing for that? You guessed it, castor oil. This natural oil has been a skincare staple for centuries. Castor oil is what we call a humectant. But what does that mean exactly? Now, humectants are like magnets for moisture. They attract water molecules from the air and draw them into the skin. They attract water molecules from the air and draw them into the skin, locking in hydration. This is crucial for maintaining that fresh, dewy look. So, when you apply castor oil, it creates this amazing barrier on the surface of your skin, preventing that water loss that can leave your face feeling like the Sahara Desert. It's like a shield for your skin. And here's the thing. Hydrated skin isn't just about feeling good, it's about looking good too. When your skin is well hydrated, it glows from within. When your skin is properly hydrated, it appears plumper, smoother, and those fine lines become less noticeable. It's like turning back the clock on your skin. It's like giving your skin a big old drink of water, but like topically. Imagine your skin just soaking up all that goodness, but hold on, we're just getting started. There's so much more to castor oil than meets the eye. Castor oil doesn't just hydrate on the surface, it penetrates deep into the skin to deliver its moisturizing benefits. This deep hydration is what sets it apart from other oils. This is especially great for people with dry skin types who struggle to find products that provide long-lasting hydration. It's like a miracle worker for dry skin, so if you're tired of dealing with dry, flaky skin, castor oil might just be your new best friend. Give it a try and see the transformation for yourself. Get ready to say goodbye to rough, uneven skin texture because castor oil is here to smooth things over. This natural remedy has been a beauty secret for centuries, and for good reason. We are talking about minimizing the appearance of pores, fine lines, and even those pesky acne scars. Imagine waking up to a smoother, more refined complexion every day. Remember how we talked about castor oil's ability to penetrate deep into the skin? Well, that's key here too. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it dives deep to deliver its benefits where they're needed most. It goes beyond surface-level smoothing and actually works to promote healthy cell turnover. Now, cell turnover is the natural process where your skin sheds dead skin cells and replaces them with new ones. This is crucial for maintaining a youthful glow, but sometimes this process slows down, leading to a buildup of those dead cells on the surface. This can make your skin look dull and tired. Castor oil swoops in to save the day by encouraging those dead cells to slough off, revealing the fresh, radiant skin underneath. It's like hitting the reset button for your skin. And because it's so deeply moisturizing, it also helps to plump up the skin, which can minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hydration is key to maintaining that youthful bounce. Castor oil is also rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its ability to stimulate collagen production. Collagen is essential for keeping your skin firm and elastic. Okay, let's talk about inflammation. It's a natural response by your body to protect you from harm, but sometimes it goes overboard. It's basically the root of all evil when it comes to skin issues, right? From minor irritations to chronic conditions, inflammation is often the underlying cause. Redness, irritation, breakouts. Inflammation is often the culprit lurking behind the scenes. It can make your skin look and feel uncomfortable. But don't worry, castor oil is here to calm things down. This natural remedy has been used for centuries to treat various skin ailments. It's packed with anti-inflammatory properties that work wonders on irritated skin. Imagine the relief of having smooth, calm skin again. Remember ricinoleic acid, our superstar fatty acid friend? This component is what makes castor oil so effective. Well, it's also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It helps to reduce swelling and redness, giving your skin a chance to heal. It works by suppressing the production of certain chemicals in the body that contribute to inflammation. This means less irritation and more comfort for your skin. So, whether you're dealing with redness from dryness, which can be particularly uncomfortable, irritation from a new product, which can be frustrating when you're trying to improve your skin, or even the aftermath of a breakout, which can leave your skin feeling sore and sensitive, castor oil can help to soothe and calm your skin. It's like a gentle hug for your face. And here's the best part, because it's natural and gentle, you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. So go ahead, give your skin the love and care it deserves. Drop a comment if you have tried this already. Now let's talk about Antibacterial Advantage. Let's be real, breakouts are the worst. And you know what's often to blame for those pesky pimples? Bacteria. But fear not, my acne-prone friends, because castor oil is here to fight the good fight. Castor oil has natural antibacterial properties that can help to keep acne-causing bacteria at bay. It creates an environment on the skin that's not very hospitable to those little troublemakers. By encouraging those dead cells to slough off, castor oil helps to keep pores clear and prevents bacteria from setting up shop. Now, we are not saying that castor oil is a miracle cure for acne, but as part of a holistic skincare routine, castor oil can be a great ally in the fight against blemishes. Also, we have more tips for acne in our detailed video on that topic, so you can check that one also. Okay, let's talk about the glow. We all want that healthy, radiant complexion that makes us look like we just stepped out of a skincare commercial, right? Well, castor oil can help with that too. Castor oil is rich in essential fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin function. These fatty acids nourish the skin and help to strengthen the skin barrier, which, as we talked about before, is crucial for preventing moisture loss and maintaining that plump, dewy look. But it's not just about hydration. Castor oil also helps to improve blood circulation to the skin. So there you have it, my loves, 5 amazing benefits of castor oil for your skin. If you found this video helpful and want to see more skincare tips and tricks, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new video.